Hey there! Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking news about Tesla's mega battery factory in Shanghai. Tesla has officially started construction on its mega battery factory in Shanghai, marking a significant milestone for the company. The factory will produce Megapack energy storage batteries, set for mass production in the first quarter of 2025. The Megapack is a powerful battery that provides energy storage and support, capable of producing nearly 40 gigawatt-hours of energy storage annually. Each Megapack unit can store over 3.9 megawatt-hours of energy, enough to power approximately 3,600 households for 1 hour. Tesla's deep involvement in the energy storage industry now rivals its electric vehicles in importance, with its energy storage products currently used in over 60 countries and regions. The groundbreaking ceremony for the Megapack plant comes as Tesla CEO Elon Musk expressed willingness to deepen cooperation with China, reaffirming the country's attractiveness for foreign investment. Exciting times ahead for Tesla and the energy storage industry.